When installing cement board, the screws you use can slow you down. You want a screw that fastens to cement board right the first time. Introducing the next generation backer-on and rock-on cement board screw with the world's first serrated head design. The new features of backer-on and rock-on cement board screws allow for reduced effort to drive and better productivity. Both screws still offer a premium corrosion-resistant finish. The new serrated head countersinks for flush seating into cement board every time, even at an angle, with no mushrooming. A specially designed T25 drive bit, included in every package of screws, provides stick fit for one-handed installation, increasing productivity. Serrated threads and improved sharp point allow for immediate pickup and easy installation. For cement board fastened right, better productivity, and reduced effort to drive, use next generation backer-on and rock-on cement board screws.